Sewer gas smells coming from your sink drain are the worst, and usually mean your trap seal is messing up or your vent pipe is blocked. So, here's the deal. First, check if the trap seal under your sink is dry or cracked, because that's what holds back the sewer gases. If it's all dried out, just run some water into the drain and see if that clears it up. If the trap is cracked or damaged, you gotta replace it. Luckily, traps aren't super expensive and you can get one at any hardware store. Next, look at your vent pipe on the roof. If it's clogged with leaves or debris, sewer gas can't escape properly and sneaks back into your house. You can use a garden hose to flush out the vent or call a pro if you're not comfortable going on the roof. Also, don't forget to check if any other drains in the house are slow or gurgling. That can be a sign of bigger issues with your plumbing vents. Keep your sink drain clean by regularly pouring baking soda and vinegar down it, followed by hot water to keep everything flowing smooth and odor-free. Lastly, avoid letting grease or food scraps go down the drain since they can mess with the trap and cause clogs that lead to smells. One of the biggest mistakes people make with sink drain sewer gas smells is ignoring a dry or broken trap seal because it's low-key, easy to fix, but gets worse over time. Another common problem is not clearing clogged vent pipes, which stops sewer gases from venting outside, so those gases end up in your kitchen instead of outside your roof. The third thing folks overlook is poor maintenance, like letting food scraps build up or not running water regularly to keep the trap full. The fixes? For dry or broken traps, just replace or refill them with water regularly. For vent pipe clogs, clear out debris or hire someone to do it safely. And for maintenance, keep your drains clean and avoid dumping grease down them. BigHomeProjects.com is clutch for homeowners looking to find trustworthy local contractors so you don't get stuck with shady folks when fixing plumbing issues. For contractors, it's a solid way to get real leads and grow their business by connecting directly with people who need help with home projects like fixing sink drain smells.